Yes. You want to note down, then you can. Otherwise, you want to note down in your mind. You should record in your mind as per the recordings and per the likings and sharings and all that whatsoever you can later on after reaching at your home. Okay. So you have right now any electronic device with you? Don't have? Do you have? Don't have? You don't have mobile? You are not allowed to keep in your pocket here. Okay. When you will reach at home, then you can. My channel is 3M Creator. 3M Creator. You can note down 3M Creator. For knowing science and spirituality, basically. Should I write it on
The Creator.
Yes. 3M Creator. 3M Creator. What's the objective of 3M Creator? The main motto, main motive, main ambition, objective of 3M Creator is to generate the concept of English grammar, to innovate, to invent the concept of English grammar. Right? It is the dilemma, it is the disillusionment in the minds of the English learners that time and again they forget the same concepts of English. Why? Because they don't know the concept of English grammar. It's my personal experience. As per my lecture, as per my delivering of the different sort of topics of the lecture, I have experienced that in university, in college, in different sort of institutes, the students forget these things because the lack of concept of English grammar. Basically, there are two kinds of grammar that we use. One is permanent sort of grammar and second one is permanent words are the part of permanent grammar. Temporary words are that are used according to the profession. That is called professional grammar or structural grammar. So on that basis, I have composed some sort of the things that will help you in understanding science and spirituality as well. Because these all the grammatical words are so much attached with our physiology, with our physical body. As our body is made by 5 elements: air, fire, soil, sky and water. These are the 5 elements of our human body. And we study in different religions that bodies exist in every form of the particle and element of the objects. Bodies exist?
Yes, sir.
So it is the great building, it was the great building of Swami Vivekananda, who went in America in 1893. He addressed the spiritual congregation by addressing 2 words. Only 2 words show that he belongs to the Indian culture, and Indian culture is the superb culture in whole the world. What was the word at that time? Only 2 words, brothers and sisters. मेरे भाइयों और बहनों. These were the 2 words which was extended by Swami Vivekananda up to 133 hours. Just by 2 words. He was very simple in his costume, in his dressing sense, simple way, while wearing kurta pajama and pagdi sir pe, turban on his head. It was his very simple attire, and there were number of scholars, university persons, researchers, research scholars, engineers, scientists throughout the world. They assembled in the whole of American assembly. At that time, he produced this thing. He was given the chance to speak only 2 words there, just by saying that he is a simple man. He has come from India and how he will represent himself. He was very confident because of the culture of India. This is the Indian culture that he showed in front of that people when he went there. all doctors, engineers, researchers, scientists stunned at that time. They saw this thing that what kind of person, what kind of saint has come here and what kind of teachings and values, moral values, spiritual values he has, who has given him. Everyone ran after him, where he will go, everyone ran after him. In every country, Canada, Australia, USA, America, New Zealand, all countries, he visited personally there and addressed, spreaded out the message that our Indian culture is a super culture because its greatest identity is unity in diversity. There are so many diversities, there are so many varieties on the basis of caste, color, creed, sex, language and all that. But my country is one on this basis. How? What a great message. A number of persons were there. A number of persons were there at that time. They could address this message easily. But why Swami Vivekananda was given this time to speak in front of that people? Because he was the exclusive person who sacrificed himself for the culture, for serving the nation, for his nation. So there was no dejection, there was no frustration, no depression in his mind. He was free at that time by filling himself with the potential and dynamic energy of our Indian youth. Nowadays we enjoy, we celebrate his birthday. When do we celebrate? Yes, when do we celebrate? In January? Nobody knows. Okay, anyhow, I mean to say that for learning these things from the Indian students' scenario, it is easy to learn air, fire, soil, sky and water. Our human body is made by these 5 elements. These 5 elements are the part of materialistic noun that we study in our grammar books. Nobody has told this thing, nobody has addressed this thing. Have you anytime? No one has. But this is the thing. To be known by our Indian learners, to be known by our Indian students. Air, fire, soil, sky and water. These are the part of our materialistic kind of noun. Material. 5 तत्व का पुतला नानक मेरो नाम श्री गुरु नानक देव जी महाराज ultimately says when addressed people that श्री गुरु नानक देव जी को क्या कह रहे थे? कोई आके पुतना, कोई आके विताला, कोई आके नानक बेचारा. Ultimately श्री गुरु नानक देव जी महाराज said that I am the bundle of 5 elements: air, fire, soil, sky and water. Nothing else. He says this thing be addressed to the whole world. When was Swami when was Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj born? In 69 I think. 69. And he addressed this thing that our body is made by 5 elements and God exists in 5 elements: air, fire, soil, sky and water. You will read this thing in the holy scripture of Sri Guru Granth Sahib, which was written by exclusively the initiator, by beginner and by generator of the different religion, Sikhism. He started. So by these things we can understand, why we can correlate our concept of English grammar. Materialistic noun means material noun. Second is abstract noun. If we study the materialistic things, out of all the materialistic things, our human body comes first. Our human body is also the part of materialism. Even Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj has written that God first appeared himself in the form of light, and then later on 84 lakh species were generated by God, and when the light collided with that 84 lakh species, they started, they generated, they activated, and they vibrated by having the just collision of the light of the God. It is written in the form of light, means God also exists in form and light. He is always with us, He is everywhere with us. When you will go to the Vedanta philosophy, to the Vedas, who was the writer of Vedas? Are you ready? Through the Vedas, you know that Swami Vivekananda says that God is also exists where there is no light, where there is no sound. He also exists there. Means airless, fireless, wellness, skyless. This is also the existence of God, and even lightless and soundless is also the form of God. So there is He, where there He does not exist. He does exist everything. I am taking you back at that position when there was ancient education. In the ancient education, there was the education of Gurukul. Gurukul education was given under the spiritual preacher, under the spiritual teacher, and they were very close to nature. While communicating, while discussing, conversing with the natural plants, trees, mountains, they spent a lot of time. They spent a lot of time with nature. And what was the language of nature? What was the grammar of nature? They collected and wrote it in the form of English grammar that we are studying now. These books are the secondary kind of books. But primary kind of literature, primary kind of literature and language that we see only and only in our holy books. If we want to learn the concept of English grammar, then we must go through the Holy Bible for knowing the concept of English words and grammar. If we want to see the real glimpse of our grammar, then we must go through the holy scripture of Punjabi if we want to learn the grammar of that scripture. No? So these were the basics. These are the basics that help us to know the originalities. Now, concept of English grammar starts from materialistic noun and abstract noun. What are the abstract nouns? To whom we say abstract? Anyone out of you? Someone would like to describe it? First of all, tell me what is a noun. Very simplest. It is the very simplest over there. Please close your books. Just click your mind. What does your mind say? What is the noun? अच्छे से पता लगाते हैं। हाँ बोलो शाबाश, और बोलो कोई इंग्लिश में भी बोलो।
The name of any place, person, thing, known as task.
The name of any person, place, and thing is called noun. We have crammed it very well. We know only one way of the grammar. हमें इंग्लिश ग्रामर का एक one way तो पता लग गया कि हाँ इसकी definition ये है. Until and unless a person, place or thing does not exist in front of us, would we not believe that there is not the presence of noun? Is it mean? क्या हमारे सामने person, place और thing होंगे तभी हम मानेंगे कि ये noun है? ना हो तो क्या वो noun नहीं है? ये भी तो noun है ना? मान लिया हमें पर्सन प्लेस और थिंग नजर नहीं आ रही, हम इसलिए आईज क्लोज है। हाँ, क्या वहाँ पे नाउन नहीं है? सोचो, क्या वहाँ पे नाउन है? नहीं, वहाँ पे भी नाउन है। जब वहाँ पर भी नाउन है तो फिर क्या हमारी डेफिनेशन शॉर्ट नहीं हो जाती? क्या फिर हमें ये नहीं लगता कि हम दिस डेफिनेशन इज इनकम्प्लीट लिटिल बिट? Anyhow, nature. If we want to learn about the noun, then we must be natural speaker, natural listener, natural reader, and natural learner of this grammar. For becoming natural, we have to understand the nature. For knowing the abstract noun. What is the abstract noun of brother? Brother का abstract noun क्या होगा? क्या होगा? Brother का abstract noun sister? वाह, the sister का क्या होगा? Brother का sister brother है ये लेकिन वुड लगाने से ब्रदरहुड, सिस्टरहुड, फादरहुड, मदरहुड, वुड मींस क्या है? ओनली फीलिंग, पैशन, क्या है? खाली महसूस किया जा सकता है, लेकिन उसे एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान पर ट्रांसफर नहीं कर सकते और हम उसको टच नहीं कर सकते, है ना? लेकिन मटेरियल को हम क्या कर सकते हैं? टच कर सकते हैं, ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं, और वो हमारी बॉडी खुद ही अपने आप में एक मटेरियल है, पार्ट ऑफ मैटर है। व्हाट टाइप ऑफ नाउन इज इट जिसे आप टच कर रहे हैं? व्हाट टाइप ऑफ नाउन इज इट? ये किस टाइप का नाउन है? क्या ये पर्टिकुलर नाउन है, क्या ये कॉमन नाउन है, या फिर ये कलेक्टिव नाउन है? कॉमन नाउन है। व्हाई? कौन सी चीज है? ये बात देखो, इतना अच्छा बता रहे हैं। क्या नाम है आपका? गुरु सिंह। वाह गुरु वाह, कमाल ही करते हैं आप। ये कहते हैं इस स्थान पे उठाया, दूसरे स्थान पे रख दिया, इसलिए कॉमन है। यानी जितनी भी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनको उठा के एक स्थान पे रख दो, वो सारी कॉमन है। गुड डेफिनेशन, यू हैव अ ग्रेट डेफिनेशन इन योर माइंड। Simply say, if I say our present Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Listen बेटा, बात नहीं कर लेना, ठीक है क्या? टाइम हो गया? अच्छा, देखिए, if I say Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India, what kind of noun is it? Proper noun. Mr. Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi, if we used to speak, then that is particular or proper noun. If simply I say Prime Minister of India is multi-dimensional personality, then Prime Minister, the word Prime Minister that I am using, what kind of noun is it? What kind of noun is Prime Minister? Common noun. Name of the post, name of our degrees. What kind of noun are these? These are common noun. discuss later on. Thank you.